Wagwan viewers and subscribers, continue watch the video if you want to see more clips of Super Cat and Sizzla Kalonji linking up. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. So via subscribers, Super Cat, the Dan Dada and Sizzla Kalonji Dada is at it again, and this time they linked up in the US, and me not tell no lie, the link up are never normal people. As you all can see from the clip in the beginning of the video, it was all love and respect between Sizzla and Super Cat. And me not gonna talk too long, my people. Just check out the next clip here of Super Cat and Sizzla linking up. The subscribers, that was Super Cat and Sizzla Kalonji linking up in the US. And me not tell no lie, Super Cat no normal. The boss a make Sizzla Kalonji know straight say yo. Him tell Fame Youth them straight say yo. A Sizzla, I'm artist. And the boss basically sing out him favorite Sizzla song them to Sizzla Kalonji. Me not tell no lie, the link up a never normal. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. No joke. Talk truth no people. And me not even gonna talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers and all of the Super Cat fans them, all of the Sizzla Kalonji fans them, spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Super Cat and Sizzla linking up. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cool, is a it link up or it miss. Yeah man, I want to see all of the fans them and spam up the comment section and let me know what go on. You know the rules, you know the lads. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Suka, and I'm out.